So by now you should be able to see the pattern when it comes to the binomial expansion. Alright, so for a plus b to the power of n, the a will always start with the first guy will always start with power of n. Then his power will start decrease, decrease, decrease. Okay, and then subsequently from the second term onwards, the second guy, which is the b, his power will start increase, increase, increase. Alright, something like 2 plus 3x to the power of 10. Alright, okay, so the first guy is 2 to the power of 10 plus 10 choose 1, 2 to the power of 9, followed by 3x starts to increase. Okay, followed by 10 choose 2, 2 to the power of 8, then 3x starts to increase, square. Remember to put the square outside of the bracket. Plus 10 choose 3, 2 to the power of 7, 3x to the power of 3 plus dot dot dot. Then you evaluate it out, the guys out yourself. Okay, so there's a certain pattern when it comes to doing binomial expansion. Follow the pattern, put the bracket properly, expand properly, and you will not make any mistakes. Okay, so for this example 5.2a part 1, okay, this is a very important skill. Now first part, if the question asks you to expand, then we expand and we use the expansion to find the second part of the answer. Okay, what do I mean by that? For this, I have x minus 2 over x to the power of 7. So when I expand it, x start with power 7 plus 7 choose 1, x to the power of 6, negative 2x, followed by 7 choose 2, x to the power of 5, negative 2x to the power of 2. Okay, then slowly go and expand. In this case, you can do the multiplication together. 7 choose 1 is 7, multiply by 2, this will be 14. X to the power of 6 divide by x, that will give x to the power of 5. Okay, again, x to the power of 6 is here, divide by x because it is over x. Alright, next, use your calculator. 7 choose 2, multiply by negative 2 square. Okay, so use your calculator. 7 choose 2, multiply by negative 2 square. So you follow what I do, you will not go wrong. Plus 84. Alright, this one, x to the power of 5 divide by, so you can see there's an x square here. X to the power of 5 divided by x square, that would be x to the power of 3. So there's a plus dot 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 here. This guy should be approximated, and these are your first 3 terms. If you are not very comfortable with this expansion, go to your textbook, do the basic exercises on expansion first. Make sure you can expand up to this level, then we continue. Okay. Second part, there's a hence part. Find the coefficient of x to the power of 5 in this expansion. Okay. So for x minus 2 over x to the power of 7 multiplied by x squared over 4 plus 3. This guy is the same as, so the first part, they ask you to expand for a reason. Use the expanded version, which is 14x to the power of 5 plus 84x cubed. Then we write down x squared over 4 plus 3. Okay? Now, I want the coefficient of x to the power of 5. Follow this method, terms with x to the power of 5. So who are those with x to the power of 5? Number 1. On this guy, I look at x to the power of 5. X to the power of 5 must multiply by who to get? X to the power of 5 multiplied by 3. Okay, so I write down this is negative 14 x to the power of 5 multiplied by 3. Okay, that's the first one. Any more? Yes, there's another one, which is this x to the power of 3 multiplied by x to the power of 2. I can also get x to the power of 5. Usually this kind of question, there will not just be one term only. There will be quite a couple of them, 2 or maybe even 3. Plus 84 x cubed multiplied by x squared over 4. Okay, any more? There's no more already. So I will have negative 42 x to the power of 5 plus 84 divided by 4, that's 21 x to the power of 5. This will give you equals to negative 21 x to the power of 5. So therefore, the coefficient of x to the power of 5 is equals to negative 21. Alright, you use this method, you will not go wrong. Number one, break down the expanded version with whichever expansion that the question asks you to multiply by. Use this technique called terms with x to the power of 5. Then ask yourself, what multiply by what from the first bracket to the second bracket can give you x to the power of 5. Write it down here, write it down here. Expand, simplify, write down the coefficient. Follow this step and you will not get any careless or get wrong during your exam.